beautiful people. We're going to talk today about equation word problems and how to set up our equation and then obviously solve our equation to find the answer for our word problem. So we're going to do two examples. Want to see it? Here it goes. It says, during summer vacation, you charge people $10 per hour to teach their children math and a flat rate of $12 for the cost of driving there. If you make $42 one day, how many hours did you spend teaching? So let's unpack what this is saying. So $10 per hour. The thing that is per hour is going to have the variable, right? That's the thing we don't know. We're solving for how many hours. Okay, a flat fee of $12. It's like a one-time fee that they pay for you to drive there. And then you made $42. So let's take all of this important information and write an equation. Well, if I make $42, I know it has to equal 42. Okay, so $10 per hour, how many hours did I teach? Well, the how many hours did I teach, I don't know. So I'm going to use the variable h. So I make $10 per hour, right? So 10h. So I'm going to multiply 10, my hourly rate, times h, the hours that I work. And I charge them a flat rate fee of $12. So I'm going to add my hourly rate plus $12, and that means I made 42. So there's my equation, right? 10h, $10 per hour, plus $12 to drive there equals 42. Well, now I just have a two-step equation. So I solve it one thing at a time. First, I move the constant, right? What's the opposite of plus 12? Minus 12. I'm going to subtract 12 from each side, right? It goes away here on the left. I bring down my 10h, and 42 minus 12 is 30. Now I have a one-step equation, all right? I have 10 times h. The opposite of multiply is divide. I divide each side by 10, so h equals 3 hours is how long you worked as a tutor. Woo! Did it. Nailed it. So we set up our equation, and then we follow the steps of equations to find our answer. All right, let's do one more. Raymond just got done jumping at Super Bounce Trampoline Center. The total cost of his session was $43.25. He had to pay a $7 entrance fee and $1.25 for every minute he was on the trampoline. So we want to calculate how many minutes was he on the trampoline. We're missing that last sentence. I don't know why, but let's calculate how many minutes did he jump. So if it's 125 for every minute, my variable is how many minutes did I jump, right? Or did Raymond jump? So we need to figure out M, the number of minutes. Well, remember, if that 125 is then our coefficient, that's the number we're multiplying by the variable, $1.25 per minute. Plus that $7 entry fee, right? The charge of the entrance fee means he spent $43.25. So it equals $43.25. And then I just do one thing at a time, one line at a time. So step one, move the constant. The opposite of plus 7 is minus 7. That goes away. 43.25 minus 7 is 36.25, right? I have a little handy dandy calculator next to me. And then I bring down my 125m, my coefficient and variable, right? So when I have a coefficient next to a variable, it means to multiply. What's the opposite? Divide. I divide each side by that coefficient. That minute rate goes away on that side. M equals, I have my 36.25 divided by 125 means that I jump for 29 minutes, or really Raymond jumps for 29 minutes. So boom, just like that, there you have it. You set up the equation, follow the steps to solve the equation, boom, get your answer. All right, now it's your turn to practice. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.